So we are in Naruto in Tokushima Prefecture on a boat called Wonder Naruto, and we're going to attempt to see the Naruto Whirlpools, which is one of the 3 main whirlpools in the world. And it's probably going to be on the right side. Spring and fall is the best time of the year to observe the whirlpools, and today's supposed to be a pretty good day. So we'll see what we're able to see. Shouldn't be too long until we get there, so we'll check back with you in a few minutes. You can see the top of the bridge behind this little hill, island hill, and that's under that bridge, right around there is where Naruto is. We'll begin to see some rough waters in that area. Yeah, Naruto Uzushio Bridge. Yeah. So here we are. Wow, whirling around. Oh, look at this guy right here. So that's a wrap. Naruto Whirlpools in Tokushima Prefecture.